Hey guys, so I'm on a bit of a mallet craze at the moment, and one particular style of mallet that I've always wanted to make is the Japanese traditional mallet. So I'm going to do my version of it. Let's get into it. Okay, that's in the clamps. I'm going to let that sit here dry, come back tomorrow, like the fun stuff, shaping the handle, inserting it into the head and rounding this head over. Sleep tight, we'll see you tomorrow. got this thing all glued up, looking awesome, super happy with it. I don't know what it is about mallets and making mallets at the moment, but I just really think this one is super cool. I love it. We'll get into sanding this up tomorrow, and then I might do something a little bit different with the handle. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see how it turns out. Well, that is my version of a Japanese mallet. Whether you want to call it that or not, standard mallet, who cares. Went with a black splattered taper finish into the handle because when I oiled up this handle, I wasn't happy with the colour it turned out. It blended too much with the head, so I decided to totally offset it, which I think isn't a bad touch. Let me know what you guys think. Anyway guys, that's it. Until next time, I'll see you later.